Imagine this. You're standing outside, enjoying a sunny day, when suddenly, bam, you're launched sideways at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Your coffee goes flying, your car takes off like a rocket, and every ocean on Earth decides to go sightseeing inland. Because in this scenario, the Earth just stopped spinning. Yeah. Instantly. No warning. So what happens next? And could anything survive? Intro. Welcome back to About Reality, where we take the weirdest what-ifs and spin them, sometimes literally, into science. Today we're asking, what if our planet suddenly hit the cosmic brakes? No slowdown, no gentle pause, just full stop. Hold on to your seats, or maybe your continent. The instant chaos. Right now, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't feel it because everything, air, land, and you are moving together. But if Earth suddenly stopped, the air wouldn't. Every molecule of atmosphere, every drop of water, every living thing not nailed down would keep going at that original speed. It would feel like the entire planet was hit by a planet-sized baseball bat. Cities would be flattened by supersonic winds. Oceans would spill over continents, creating mega tsunamis thousands of meters high. The equator would be ground zero, while the poles might be slightly luckier, slightly. Basically, Earth would go from home sweet home to cosmic blender in about 3 seconds flat. So, not a great day to be alive. The aftermath. Let's say you somehow survive, maybe underground or chilling at the North Pole on your penguin vacation. You emerge to find a very weird new planet. Without rotation, a day would last a whole year. Half of Earth would face the sun constantly, roasting at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, while the other half would freeze in darkness at minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The atmosphere would go wild. Warm air from the day side would rush toward the frozen night side, forming planet-sized hurricanes. And without centrifugal force puffing out the equator, Earth would become a bit more spherical, making sea levels rise near the poles. So, your favorite beach in Brazil? Yeah, gone. The science behind the spin. But wait, why do we spin at all? It all started 4.5 billion years ago when a giant cloud of dust and gas collapsed under gravity. As it condensed, conservation of angular momentum made it spin faster, like a figure skater pulling in their arms. That's why planets rotate, stars spin, and galaxies swirl. And because there's almost no friction in space, that motion just keeps going. For Earth to stop instantly, something unimaginably massive would have to hit it, like another planet. At that point, Earth stopping would probably be the least of our problems. A little hope and humor. If Earth slowed down gradually over millions of years, we could probably adapt. Days would get longer, climates would shift, and humans would invent 24-hour sunscreen and permanent nightlights. But in our instant stop version? Yeah, the planet's on hard mode. Still, it's fun to imagine. One half a never-ending beach party, the other a giant ice hotel. You just have to choose your vacation, sunburn, or frostbite. OUTRO. So what have we learned? Don't mess with angular momentum, and appreciate the spin that keeps us alive and our oceans where they belong. Now tell me in the comments, if the Earth did stop spinning, where would you rather be, on the sunny side or in eternal night? Because either way, it's going to be one wild ride. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending what-if scenarios.